পাশে তিনি আছেন।
PM has carried out the campaign.
Can we take it fast?
Yesterday, Amit Shah came into Krishnanagar. Why this?
They're very fond of me. Don't you know? The PM is so fond of me. He came here twice. Amit Shah ji has come. I believe Yogi ji has come. So they're very fond of me. They want to visit me over and over again. I welcome it because every time they come, they increase my votes by 10%. So I'm very happy.
Last year you expelled from the
Lok Sabha.
Lok Sabha. Now they are
trying to prevent you from getting
You tell me
elected.
Marathi, I understand Marathi fully. So you tell me in Marathi, I reply. Tell me in Marathi fully. I understand everyone.
मागच्या वर्षी तुम्हाला ते लोकसभेतून काढलं, आता लोकसभेत येऊ नये यासाठी हा प्रयत्न आहे का BJPचा?
This time they sent me illegally. I have gone to the Supreme Court on this, and they were very sure that they will be able to stop me. And they don't know my boss. My boss declared this seat as the first seat. She started a campaign from this seat, and by doing all this with me, my people have realized that they voted me. If Bengalis are very proud that they took a decision, they voted, good or bad. If somebody has to remove me, they will remove. It is not the BJP's business to remove. So it is their right to have a representative in parliament. So last 6 months they have been deprived of their right illegally, right? So which is why they are also angry at the BJP. So even people who did not vote for me this time are saying that we will vote. So they have actually done my advertisement.
I just have two questions. One is that we all wish you that you win. Then if you win, when you win, will you be carrying on the same way that you did earlier?
What do you think? I am the same human being. I can't change, can I?
Okay.
I can't change, can I? Like I said, there are 2 unwritten rules in this government, and I have broken both of them.
Yeah.
So I will continue. Like I said, I will continue. I am being sent to Parliament as one of 78 women in the 78th Lok Sabha.
Okay.
I hope the numbers improve this time in the women's representation. So I am there to do my job, and I will continue.
And do you think you did anything wrong, like whatever you have been accused of?
I did nothing wrong. If I had done something wrong, I would not have been able to fight this fight with the strength that I have. It is because I believe that I am morally correct that I have been able to stand straight. Because they have thrown the kitchen sink at me. And I have, not only have I survived, I will come back with a greater margin.
Just sharing your password with a friend.
Yes, there's nothing wrong. You're making it seem like I've repeated this 100 times. That there is, please tell me which rule was there. This is not an email password, it's a website portal. Your friend has covered the Parliament beat. Out of 303 BJP MPs, maybe half of them don't even know how to operate a computer. And each one has between 5 and 7 people in their office. We have PRS labs whose job it is in the job description to do questions. And each of these PRS labs are private employees. None of them are security checked. So this was just a convenient, big leap for them.
Modi, what are the things that people of Krishnanagar can expect from you in this book?
Well, like I said, that unfortunately because of what's happened to me, I am not just a person going to talk about the drains and the nalas of Krishnanagar, which are, in a sense, don't use that, don't think that. It's not just about talking about Krishnanagar civic issues. Krishnanagar, I think, is one of the voices. It's always been, it's D.N. Roy's hometown, as Prabhu said. So it's always been a Prativadi Konto, a voice of protest. And so I hope that this government is on its way out. But whatever come, whatever may, whatever the people of India will decide, they will decide. But come what way, I will continue to raise pan-national issues.
What do you think, what are your strength and weakness in this book?
My strength is the truth, and that I actually don't fear anybody, and my strength is my party and my leader who have backed me 100%, and my weakness is that I'm hot-tempered, and it's not always, and that's my weakness is that I'm hot-tempered. I'm a little quick to shoot off the.
Do you think that the Sandesh Khali or the NRC could be an issue in this election?
Sandesh Khali, we've already has come out as to what it was. The entire thing, the sting operation has shown what Sandesh Khali was nothing but a pack of lies from beginning to end. So I think if anything it has helped us now for people to realize during the election what lies they had said. So that's number one.
राजमाता अमृता राय कितना आपको ये
अच्छा, आप इसको राजमाता बोल रहे हैं। हमारा प्रश्न है कौन राजा का माँ है, तो किस राजा का माँ है ये पहले मुझे बताइए, फिर हम आपको उसको बोलेंगे। हम बोल सकते हैं कल हम मिस इंडिया है, आप मुझे मिस इंडिया मामा मोहित्रा बुलाएंगे। ये तो हम रिपब्लिक डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को मानते हैं, 47 से हम इंडिपेंडेंट है, तो राजमाता यू नो ये सब कहाँ से आता है? हमारे लिए खाली रानी राजमोहनी है और कोई रानी हम बचा।
दीदी, लोगों का कहना है कि आपका मेजोरिटी जो वोट आपको मिलता है वो मेनली नकाशीपाड़ा, फिर तो ये जो मुस्लिम बेल्ट है वो यहाँ से मेनली
আপনি ভুল বলছেন, নকাশীপাড়া তো হিন্দু, আপনি ভুল বলেছেন, কালীগঞ্জ চাপড়া not at all. This is the see, BJP's problem is this, that they don't look at human beings as human beings. They look at human beings based on religion. I don't do that. I look at voters as voters. So I don't do that kind of mathematics in my head. Like I said, this time I've seen the candidate from the BJP only go to Hindu areas to campaign. I have spent every minute campaigning because I have to reach 82 villages. And I've reached every 82 panchayat twice. I want to know how many villages the candidate has reached. She does not even want to. She goes out only in the evening. I can't think about it because she's only touching the Hindu villages. So I don't do that kind of politics, unfortunately. So yes, I don't know. For me, you know, I look at every voter as a voter and every human being as a human being. Achha, Preeti is waiting for a long time. Is that done, sir?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and thank you for waiting for so long. And I read the Tribune actually. I go to Chandigarh to that military book literary festival. They call me. It's always good in the boat club. I like it a lot. I'll go this year.